Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. A table for two, please.
Certainly. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is the menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like an orange juice. I'd like a glass of water, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'd like a chicken burger and some fries.
I'd like a cheese pizza, please.
Great choice. Would you like any salad?
Yes, a small salad, please.
Perfect. I'll bring your order soon. Allie and Sarah wait happily for their food. Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious. This pizza is amazing. My burger is very tasty too.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, everything was wonderful. Could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here is your bill.
Thank you. We really enjoyed the food.
You're welcome. Have a nice day and visit us again.
Thank you. Goodbye.